I asked my husband to dig up one little plant for me. You know how it is, you don't want to ask him to do too much. And the peony was rather jumbo-sized. This was crazy big. Put a shovel beside it so you could get some perspective. The root on this thing, you can see how big it is compared to my finger. It's huge. You can see the buds coming up on it for this year. We're having to dig a mammoth hole for the peony. I shouldn't say we. Anthony's having to dig a mammoth hole. So we've just divided this big clump. Just had to be done where we thought would be the best place to do it.
Hey.
Yeah, it looks good. Want it. Don't want to plant peonies too deep. It's been a few weeks since we divided the peony, and I wanted to show you that we did not kill it. It looked like we were being fairly brutal with it. Peonies in general are very tough. I've always heard transplant in the fall, and my personal gardening experience over the last 30 years is that things do much better transplanted in the spring, right before they put on this growth. It's a little bit more hazardous if you wait until it starts leafing out. And of course, never transplant when things are flowering. But even then, I have transplanted carefully in all sorts of situations. This plant will be amazing next year. This year it's not going to have as much of a bloom as it would have in being in one clump, but it was underneath a huge plant and it was pouring out onto the driveway, and this is just a better spot for it. I can't wait to see what it does next year. Actually, peonies like to be divided. So does iris. This is iris I divided early this spring. It looks great. It's very happy. This is my new little bed I'm working on.